Now we're back to CapCut. Let me show you how you can highlight areas in videos, for example the skater right here. Let me cut it where we can't see him anymore. Use the split tool B and get rid of it. One way to do it is go to Video Mask and use, for example, a circle. Position it on this object, in my case the skater. Resize it a little bit. And that should be fine as a starting point. Now we need the original again. So import it, put it below this one. So we've added the mask to the top one. Use the split tool, cut the original to have the same duration. Go to the top one where we have the mask. And then go to adjustments and use the curves. You can drag that up here a little bit to the left. And this is going to increase the brightness. At the same time, you can decrease the brightness for the original footage at the bottom to have a higher contrast. Something like this should be fine. I go back to the top one. The edges are a little bit sharp, so it's a good idea to add a feather on the video mask, but don't make it too big or the effect is going to vanish. Just make it like 1, 2, maybe 3. And that should be good. Let's play it, and you can see it doesn't move, so we need an animation for it. Select the top clip yet again, go to Video Mask, and there is Position, and Scale would make sense here as well, so that we can scale it a little bit down. Go to the starting point, fully to the left, and then click on these diamond icons for Position and Size. This creates our first keyframe. And now I use the arrow keys to the right, like 5 times, and I position and resize that manually right here, and this creates new keyframes automatically for both of these parameters. So position and size will be animated when we play it in the end. Just go through this until you've got the entire clip covered. And once we're done, let me just play it. And this is how you can highlight an object in your footage using CapCut. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.